In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get back missing toolbar ribbon tabs in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. Whether you're working on a crucial document, preparing a spreadsheet, or designing a stunning presentation, not having access to all of the tools you need can be really frustrating. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do to restore any missing ribbon tabs. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint on your computer. If you've been struggling with limited tools, this step will get you back on track. Once PowerPoint is open, go to the File tab in the top left corner of your screen. From there, scroll down and click on Options. In the PowerPoint Options window, select Customize Ribbon. This is where you can modify and personalize your ribbon layout. On the right-hand side, you'll see a list of all the available ribbon tabs. If the tabs you're missing aren't checked here, they won't show up on your toolbar. And that's probably what's causing the issue. So carefully review the list and look for unchecked tabs like Home, Insert, Review, or any other ones you use often. To restore a tab, simply check the box next to it. Once you've re-enabled your desired tabs, click OK to apply the changes. Your missing ribbon tabs should immediately reappear in PowerPoint. Now you can return to your work with all your tools right where they should be. And there you have it. That's how you can restore missing toolbar ribbon tabs in Word, Excel, and PowerPoint in just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might need this fix.